In our modern world, three big tech changes are happening all at once: smart algorithms, super-fast artificial intelligence, and new quantum computers. Hidden behind our screens, algorithms decide what we see and think. AI predicts and controls things, and scientists are building machines that do things we could only imagine before. It's a world where these systems and the people who own them get more and more power, so much that soon, no choice or payment might happen without them knowing. It's surprising, but old Bible stories also talk about power, temptation, and control over the whole world. Genesis shows how people were tempted to know things like God knows. In the story of Babel, people build a tall tower to be independent from God. And Revelation 13 warns about a time when no one can buy or sell unless they promise to follow the beast. For many, many years, all those prophecies sounded like just stories. But now, with algorithms, AI, and quantum computers, they seem like they could actually happen for the first time. As one person said, the algorithm is the new king that replaces laws and rules. In this video, we're going to look at how our new technology is similar to those old prophecies, and we'll think hard about what that means for our faith and freedom in the future. Every day, hidden algorithms decide what information we see. Studies show that almost everything we see on social media is picked by computer programs, not by people. These algorithms collect our information and watch what we like, then send us fake news and ads just for us. Someone who used to work at Facebook warned that these systems can make things spread that used to be small, so conspiracy theories and extreme ideas can spread super fast. So, the algorithm is the new king, a hidden ruler that takes the place of social rules and our own freedom. It seems like you're in control, but really you're just going along with what the machine shows you. It reminds us of a Bible story. In Genesis, Adam and Eve were tempted to eat from the tree of knowledge because then you will be like God, knowing good and evil. We see that same strong wish for godlike knowledge in technology today. We dive deep into data and algorithms, hoping to understand and control things better. But the Bible warns us that temptation already led to a fall once. Just like Adam and Eve were drawn in by a hunger for knowledge, people now are drawn to powerful systems that say they will make our lives better. The difference is that today, the temptation is about computer code and man-made data instead of a forbidden fruit. Along with algorithms, artificial intelligence, AI, is growing super fast. AI systems are taking over jobs that people used to do, making decisions in traffic, figuring out what's wrong when we're sick, and predicting the stock market. One survey of tech experts says that network technologies like AI can make us much better at doing things, but at the same time, they can be a big threat to our independence and free will. What happens if smart systems decide more for us than we do? Who's in charge then? The Bible story of the Tower of Babel comes to mind. People wanted to speak one language and build a tall tower that reached up to the sky, so they could make a name for themselves and not be scattered all over the earth. It's like they wanted to create one big communication network without needing God. Today, that sounds worryingly familiar. On the modern internet, we really do speak one digital language. AI and networks connect the whole world into a kind of computer tower. Information and power are gathered with a small group of designers, leaders, and programmers. We are building a technical Babel. And just like back then, it's all about human pride. We want power and unity without having to depend on anything higher. With artificial intelligence, we are reaching for the sky, but by doing that, we are also questioning our own place with God. Then the third big change, quantum computers. These machines don't work with normal zeros and ones, but with qubits that can be in many states at the same time. According to an article in Wired magazine, powerful quantum computers will one day break all current secret codes in an instant, which means Q-Day will arrive. The moment when someone's Bitcoin wallet, our email, and all our money systems suddenly become unsafe. Computer security experts think there's a 1 in 3 chance of Q-Day happening within 20 years. Even the biggest secret you can imagine, from secret government files to your private chat messages, will then be easy to get to. In Revelation 13, there's a prophecy as old as the early Christian church. No one can buy or sell unless he has the mark of the beast. For a long time, it sounded like a make-believe warning. But now, we see that today's technology makes a future like that possible. Imagine a worldwide digital payment system linked to your body ID or a chip in your hand. Without that mark, no buying or selling can happen, no life. When all our money and even who we are is completely online, the words from Revelation come scarily close. People are already talking about societies with no cash, digital money, and lists of body IDs. Technically, a powerful system, used by a ruler or a group of powerful people, could really control and shut out anyone who doesn't want to join in. The old warning doesn't sound so far-fetched anymore. The similarities are clear. People trying to get godlike power, Genesis, turning against God, Babel, and total control, Revelation. They all have surprising connections to our technology. But this isn't a call to panic. The Bible itself warns us and gives us hope. It is written, "Trust in the Lord with all your heart, and lean not on your own understanding." Right now, when technology promises all power, it's more important than ever to look for our wisdom and safety in God instead of in machines. Young people, wake up from being too comfortable and too caught up in screens. Stop and ask, who or what is controlling my life? Turn back to the God of the Bible, who loves us and will never let us down. Look for faith, prayer, and being together with other believers. Instead of worshiping the all-powerful technology, let us worship the all-powerful God. Let the old words encourage us. Where systems fail, God is faithful. Just as Revelation ends with the promise that God will be with us, we too can look forward with trust and by being watchful. Make the choice today. Stay aware and bow to the true King. Only with him is there real freedom and a real future.